yeah, 2 months. It was 2 months later. I get the nastiest, rudest email ever that I've ever received. Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, this is a new hair review, get ready with me type deal. So I'm gonna leave this on. At some point in this video, I will take it off so you guys can see my new hair. If you guys follow me on Instagram at MakeupMenaree, or even on my Facebook, I have a Facebook as well, that's also MakeupMenaree. You guys would have probably already seen what my hair looks like, or if you guys go on the community tab here on YouTube, then you guys would have already seen what my hair looks like. But for the rest of you who did not do any of that, y'all gonna have to wait. Got it done a few days ago. So I had been wanting to get this done for a long time, completely out of my comfort zone, but I'm really happy with the results and the way it looks. Something new, something fresh, something low maintenance. So anyway, let's get on with this little get ready with me story time. Products that I'm using, I will probably, if I don't, tell you what they are, I'll link them in the description box below like I always do. Sort of focus more on the stories, the chatting, because sometimes I get stuck on the makeup and then I stop talking, and y'all are here to talk and chat and hear about some foolery, I'm sure. So let's get started with that. So let me start with my Milani setting spray. Just gonna do a little no makeup look. I'm gonna be home most of the day. I'm gonna run a few errands later on, but I won't be gone for very long, so I ain't doing a whole full face today. Story time, I guess. We'll get started with that. So I have a lot of companies that reach out to me. A lot of them are shysty. A lot of them are, good companies. Some of them are, products that really don't have to do with, my channel. They want me to review ratchet sets or, tools or strollers or fairy lights, a little bit of everything. And I usually, I used to politely turn them down, but now I don't have time to go through and email everybody. So I hate that I don't reply to those emails, but sometimes when you reply to them and tell them no thank you, they get a little attitude. Like I've had a couple of them straight up have an attitude with me and want me to pay for things outright, and then they would reimburse me after I put up the review, and obviously it has to be a good review for them to reimburse me. And I'm like, I'm not trying to buy any of your products that I don't want to buy anyway, just so you guys could maybe give me my money back if I posted a good review. I mean, that's a given. I think a lot of these Amazon companies, sad to say, do that. These little companies that sell just a little anything, a little everything, they are ones that usually hit me up a lot. But this company that I'm going to be talking about today seemed reputable. So I've been getting a lot of requests for skincare reviews, and I try to make sure that I'm picking reviews to do on products that I will actually use myself, not products that I'm just going to review and never use again. So I usually will try to review products, that I know I can give a good review on and be honest about. So this skincare company hit me up on Instagram, first of all, which is not uncommon. I do get a lot of Instagram companies hitting me up, which is perfect because I don't have a huge following on Instagram. Instagram's a little more difficult to deal with, I think, for me. If you can master YouTube and Instagram, with followers and that kind of thing, then my hat's off to you, because Instagram, I feel, is just another entity on its own. It's more work on Instagram to gain followers. Back to the story. So they hit me up on Instagram, and they're wanting me to review a skincare product that they have. They are a smaller company, Black owned. I'm all about, supporting Black owned businesses, especially smaller Black owned businesses. So I went ahead and checked out their website, which was pretty good. I mean, it didn't have a lot on there, but they're a startup company. Instagram looked really good. They had a lot of products posted, videos, pictures, information about the product. So I was like, okay, this looks like this could be a company that I would definitely do a review for. I went ahead and told them, yeah, I was interested, and she, or I assume it was a she, but it could be a he. I'm just going to say she, went ahead and let me know that I needed to fill out her influencer, information. So some companies will just send you products to review. They don't require you to sign up for anything. Some companies want you to sign up for an influencer program, and those can all be different situations. But this was the most extreme paperwork and surveys and filling this out that I have ever filled out on anything since I started YouTube. Just crazy questions, stuff that I was interested in, just literally like 15 to 20 pages of stuff that I had to fill out digitally, sign, and everything like that, and return. And I almost was like, I don't feel like doing all this for no little free products. But I figured, like I said, it was a small business, Black-owned business. I wanted to be supportive, wanted to go ahead and see what their products were all about. This is the beginning of July, like July 6th, I remember, because it was my son's birthday when I finished filling out the paperwork. And sent her a message back on Instagram and was like, hey, I went ahead and completed that information for you. Everything's submitted, good to go. So the stipulations for this was that they would send you one product, which I pre-picked I want to say like a face oil. I pre-picked a face oil. They're supposed to send that product out as soon as that survey was done. So I was told to expect that product within the next week or two and, do a review. I could either do a review on my channel, incorporate it into a skincare video. I could post it on Instagram. Anyway, I wanted to post. They didn't really stipulate like what I needed to do, which was fine. Worked out fine with me because at that time I had 2 skincare videos on other products that I was reviewing, and I wanted to go ahead and put that in that video with that because it was a product that I could use in place of some other products. So everything on my end would have worked out good with this product being incorporated in my skincare, doing those reviews, and then moving on with my life. So it's July. I work full time. I work at a hospital, you guys. I would love to be able to sit around and do YouTube all day and nothing else, but as a girlfriend got to work, I got to help pay the bills in the house. And hold on a second. See, like I said, I started talking and not doing anything on my face. It's July. I completely, forget about this product. I'm reviewing other products in the meantime, and I remember that I hadn't got this product yet. So I sent an email because this time we'd gotten email correspondence in regards to, the survey and the influencer this and the products that you'll be getting. Oh, and also with the products. So they're supposed to send out that first product initially, and then they're supposed to send 2 more products out within, I think, the month after that. So you would have something sort of to review every month. By this time, it's probably like the end of July, so maybe August. And I realized that I don't have this product, that I never got this product in. I was going through my emails and realized that I had never got that product in. So I went ahead and sent an email, and I want to say they didn't respond to me. So in that case, it's whatever. I'm not out any money. Companies want to send me products, that's fine, but I'm not going to sit and stress and worry about, what product was sent, which one wasn't. If it's a product I never received, then I'm definitely not worried about it because, like I said, I didn't pay for it anyway, so it's whatever. So anyway, never got a reply back. Didn't think anything of it. Sometimes that happens where companies maybe extend an offer and then they just don't follow through. I don't care. It's not a big problem to me. It is what it is. Looking maybe at the beginning of September. So we're looking at 2 months. It was 2 months later. It was probably the beginning of September when I get the nastiest, rudest email ever that I've ever received from any brand in my email. So basically, I went ahead and looked to see if I could find it, but I don't want to put the company on blast like that. But I do remember specifically what it said because it sort of pissed me off. I was like, first of all, I ain't never got your products. Secondly, y'all are been super unprofessional, no responses back, and now y'all want to send this email. It was a mass email sent out to everybody, basically calling us thieves for stealing their products because we've got their products that we've never posted about. I know why this is the lady that wrote this email, because she was like, I see y'all living your lives on social media, posting about going here, posting about doing this, and none of you guys are posting about our products that we sent you. You guys are thieves and liars for lying to us about, what your intentions were with our product. You're thieves for taking our products and not, doing what you were supposed to in regards to review. That's theft. Just going on and on and on. This email literally was like 4 or 5 paragraphs long of them talking crazy to us. And I was like, first of all, I never even got your product, so I know you ain't talking to me. Secondly, how many other people never received products? Because if you're talking crazy to everybody, there was a lot of people, I think, on this email list that they sent out. Then something's wrong on y'all's end. Y'all obviously didn't send something out, or something got lost in translation. I don't know what the deal was, but I have never had an email that rude and unprofessional from a business that wants me or these other influencers to basically do free advertising for them for some product. I mean, the product was like under $20. Anybody who does YouTube knows that making a video or posting something like that, maybe on Instagram's a little easier, but making a video on a product, it costs a lot more than $20 to produce. So especially in time and energy. So I had to do my eyebrows real quick and then we'll get back to the story because I cannot talk and do my eyebrows at the same time. Okay guys, light, easy eyebrow. I have a whole bunch of eyebrow tutorials if you guys want to check them out. I'll link them up there for you guys. Literally takes just a second to do. I am going to put some brow gel on those though, just to hold them up because you know I like a surprise brow. So I get this email and I'm like, hold on a second. Let me make sure that I never received this product before I pop off because I don't want to look crazy popping off on this company. Meanwhile, I got their product sitting on the floor somewhere. So I went ahead and sent them an email. It was a nasty email. It was a little nice nasty in reply to that, basically stating, first of all, I know you're not talking to me. I never received the product. As a matter of fact, I never received any correspondence back from you guys on this product when I checked on where it was, and then waited, you know, half the day, never received anything back. So I figured, let me go ahead and hit them on Instagram because that's a place where I've been getting more responses. Maybe they just have like a email where they send out like a mass email and it's not really, you know, it's like a robot or whatever. So again, I stated the same exact thing. Basically told them that, you know, that was really not the most professional way to go and that I had never received this product. So I instantly get, like within 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I get a reply back on Instagram talking about your product is on the way. And I was like, what? Okay, so that's all you're going to say? So my product, where, when? Like it's been at this point like 2.5 months. Where's this product? Where's it coming from? Like, is it coming from across the country, like overseas? Like, is it one of those Wish situations where, you know, you order something from Wish and you know it's going to take 4 months to get? Like, what is it? Like, this is so unprofessional. I went ahead and emailed them back, messaged them back on Instagram since that's the way they want to handle things. And basically was like, first of all, I had, you know, this skincare product was in line with some other skincare products that I've been reviewing. And now I'm not sure when I'm going to get back to reviewing this product with the skincare because I'm not trying to, you know, do a whole nother video for one product from you guys. And secondly, like, thanks, but no thanks. I don't think I'm going to go ahead and do a review on this. So, you know, no, basically no thanks. So I was like, if I get the product in the mail, which, what are we in? We're in October, still never saw the product. And then I was just going to go ahead and just deny delivery and send it right back, not open it or anything. Oh, and on top of that, they went ahead, when I rechecked their Instagram page, they had almost half the followers. And I was like, okay, so what happened to all the other followers? I mean, they didn't have a lot of followers. They probably had, I don't know, like 2,500 to 3,000 followers when I initially looked at their page. Let me see, what did I do with my eyelashes, guys? Hold on a second. Hey guys, I don't know what happened to the eyelashes I had set over here. They are gone with the wind, and I'm sure one of my cats will find them and be chewing on them later on. But anyway, let's get back to the story. This Kiss lash liner and glue. If you guys have not seen the review on this, I will link it up here. It's amazing. So easy to put on lashes with this. If you want to see how that works, then just check that video out. That is it. So I'm just doing some little fluffy lashes today. These are the Kiss Wispies. After I sent that initial message, I went ahead and checked back on their Instagram and they had like half the followers. I was like, okay, that's really weird. Like maybe this email pissed off half the people that were following them, because that was also a stipulation in regards to, you know, being a brand ambassador for them was to follow them on Instagram. Another, you know, couple days and then check back. And this time when I looked on their Instagram page, they literally had wiped the page was completely wiped. Like there was no pictures, no posts, nothing. And the name of the company had changed. And I was like, okay, so this is a scam. Now I'm thinking, did I give them any of my information, like my personal information, like bank? Of course I would not, because I'm the one person that does not trust anybody with nothing. So I know I didn't give them anything personal, but still, you know, these criminals these days be finding any little way to get into your stuff and steal your stuff. This is definitely screaming super scammy to me. So now I'm thinking, okay, let me go ahead and keep an eye on my credit, because I'm worried that they done open something in my name or my address. I don't know, something crazy. But nothing ever came of it. I never heard anything back from them. I went ahead and just, you know, unfollowed them on Instagram. Never heard anything back from them at all. Now, these companies out here trying us. That literally was probably the one of the most, in regards to the email, one of the most how dare you with these companies ever that I've gotten. They would have sent emails, you know, just saying, hey guys, we're having issues with mail, or, you know, we're understaffed, or whatever the case may be. I would have been like, okay, that's fine. Or a simple email asking people if they actually got their product would have been a good email first to send out before they started talking crazy to people. I'm not trying to scam anybody out of anything. So I definitely took offense to that email talking about I'm a thief and all this, talking about you living your life. Y'all, I see y'all living your lives, posting on Instagram, posting on this and that, and not doing what you're supposed to do. That was a little off the wall for me. If that company ever comes out with anything, I do have all that saved. I will never, ever, ever, ever work with that company again. Or I guess I never worked with them to begin with. So they're talking crazy to us, the influencers that are going to be advertised for them. How crazy are they going to be talking to their customers? Like, I'm not trying it. Not trying it. Yeah, that is the face. Super simple. Just, you know, a light little, you know, a cheek, a little bit of a glow on my face. I am going to have to fix my forehead though, because you can see I missed a couple spots trying to hide this hair from you guys. And take off this scarf so you guys can see my hair, and I'll be finished with the video. Y'all can go on with your day or whatever the case may be. It's in here waiting for me to pull this damn thing off my head. Love this thing. I got this on Amazon. It's super comfortable. I've never found one with this comfortable of a band. It doesn't leave, you can see, does not leave any marks on my forehead. I've had this on all night. So I will link these in my description box below, you guys, as well, because I really, really love these. And it's nice and big because, you know, I got more hair right now. So usually, you know, I got plenty of space, but right now I got more hair. So it fits a lot. It's pretty big. So yeah, let me take this off so you guys can see my new hair, guys. So these are called butterfly locks. So basically it's just a messy, super cute curly lock. I got this done a few days ago, like I said, and it should last, hopefully it'll last a month or two, but my hair is hella thin and I don't know how well it's gonna hold. Hopefully it'll stay on pretty well. So it's super versatile. I can wear it on this side. I can change it and wear like a part in the middle. Then I can also flip it on this side. They're loose enough to where you're able to sort of manipulate them a little bit. I can also pull it back in a ponytail or, you know, a little high bun. Super versatile, which I love, just long enough. And you guys, this is as long as my natural hair is. My natural hair might even be a little bit longer. I know she gathered it up a little bit. So your girl's got some hair now. She got some length under here. I'm hoping this will help it grow a little bit, but I absolutely love this style. Super cute. I've gotten a whole bunch of compliments. I've been off on vacation for a week, so I go back to work tomorrow. Nobody's seen it at work yet, so I'm excited to show them. Unfortunately, she was not comfortable with me recording. I don't know, she had a bad experience with another channel before, and even though I sent her the link to this channel previous to my appointment, just asking if I could film, I don't think she had time to check it out. So she just, you know, declined in the beginning, which is fine. I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable when I'm filming. It's been nice to have this film because I feel like this is really a complete hair transformation for me. I have never had my hair like this before. Definitely have to get used to it because I feel like I got a lot of hair on my head. It's very heavy. I'm usually walking around my little, you know, my husband calls it my little cotton candy afro because it's so thin and see-through. So this is definitely a big change, but I absolutely love it. If you guys have had your hair like this, or, you know, fox locks, butterfly locks, boho locks, they call them all different things, then comment below. Let me know how long they lasted for you guys, especially if you have hair texture that's similar to mine. Let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed this story time. Get ready with me, new hair reveal. We throw in everything in one video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure to check out my other hair related tutorials here.